Hey everyone, Mark here at Matterport. I want to show you today how to bring in the 3D data that you've scanned and bring it into a three-dimensional computer CAD program like Autodesk's Revit. So the first thing that we do is you go to my.matterport.com. Here is where you'll have all of your uploaded spaces stored. So after you've gone on site, you've collected your space, now you want to view it and use this data. So this is an example of a condominium lobby in Chicago. It took about 50 minutes to collect this space, 57 scan locations total. This space has unique features, like this wall, for example. This wall is actually curved. It looks flat, it looks true to the rest of the room, but it has a small curve. And if I go up to another section of the space, there are more of these curved walls that you can see. These are not mistakes. This is on purpose. The designer put this in. So if you were going to collect this space using manual methods, look at these walls. See how these slight angles are here in the space. A manual collection method would take a very long amount of time and would surely have inaccuracies. So here what we're doing is we're going to go to the left side and do the my.matterport.com link for the Matter Pack. Matter Pack is the three-dimensional data. Here I'm opening up that Matter Pack. It's a zip file. I'm unzipping all of these files and I'm saving them locally to my computer. I'm finding a location where I'm going to start a new folder, one that's easy for me to remember its location, because you're going to use this information in just a little bit. So I'm saving it, I'm unzipping all the information to my computer, and then from there I'm going to hop over to Recap. But before I do that, I'm going to show you the inside of the folder I just downloaded. These mosaic images, these images are automatically generated. These are the textures that will be applied to the point cloud. In addition, there are ceiling plans and floor plans that are able to be downloaded in the Matter Pack. This is a three-dimensional output of the computer files and the data that you've uploaded and we are able to process for you. So from here, I'm going to take the next view in Recap. Recap is Autodesk's program to bring in reality capture. So here I am opening up a new project. I'm calling it the Lobby in Ohio. What I'm doing is I'm selecting the entire folder that I just downloaded previously to be used as information for this importation of the data. Here's the file I just created, 3D345 East Ohio. I'm importing this information. Here is an area where we're able to do coordinates. This is an optional setting, but this is the feature where you're able to include other scans that you have processed previously and scan locations for coordinates, targets, that sort of thing. So I'm going to index all of these scans I just took. And this was quite quick. It actually takes just several minutes to do it for larger spaces. For smaller spaces, it's quite quick compared to what a user might be used to in a laser system. What I'm doing now in Recap is editing the space based on what I need to see. Where your view is going to be left is what will be able to be transferred over and exported to programs like Revit. So what I'll do is I'll save this space. I'm just touring through so you can get an idea of what it is. But I'm going to export this space. And go to the Import button, go down to the Export, click, and then I'm going to save it as an RCP or an RCS file. RCS is usually a single scan. RCP is multiple scans. So I'll do Ohio Lobby.rcs. And then it's going to combine and optimize those folder contents I just showed before. Those will be redundant. You can delete those or you can access them through my.matterport.com at another time. Here, what's happening is new files are being created specific for the Autodesk platform. So this is going to be an RCS file, and there will be a corresponding support folder that would need to go along with the RCS folder or image file if you're going to move it on to another computer. Here I am opening it up into Revit. Revit is the program that a lot of people use for design. So I'm going to insert and attach the point cloud that I just saved. It's the RCS file that I will find. I'm going to open it, and then it will be attached in there. Now here is just a small rendering of it, but the information is there, and I'm going to change to the 3D view to highlight that more. So if you have any questions here, please put them in the comments below or contact me at Matterport.